it's Cheryl from Startin Skoda in Worcester, and I'm here to show you a short video of the Skoda Citigo Monte Carlo that we have in stock. Monte Carlo is a little bit more rare compared to the other models that are available, and it's finished with the tinted windows at the back, the Monte Carlo sign on the back window, and of course the Monte Carlo decals. And we've got those lovely black alloys as well to give it a bit of extra contrast, along with the black on the front of the bumper and the back, and the black surround on the grille. This is the 60 brake power engine on the Citigo, and these are very well known for being one of the lowest running costs of any car on the road. They're phenomenal on fuel, great on low insurance as well, with the highest group insurance being a 3 across the range. You also get that Monte Carlo decal on the back bumper as well, just to give it that little added edge. One of the biggest boots in its class, quite a substantial amount of boot space for a small city car. And this particular vehicle has got the puncture repair kit, which also has the space to fit a spare wheel if needed. The Monte Carlo has its own specific interior trim, which really sets it aside from the rest of the range. And the front seats get the bucket style seats with that Monte Carlo finish, and you've also got the red trim. The centre console is really set off by the red paint finish of the car, the piano black dash, and the red stitching round the sports steering wheel. This model has done just over 7,600 miles. Very low mileage, of course, and there's a good wedge of fuel in there already. Front fog lights standard with this model, with your electric front windows, Bluetooth controls and stereo, digital radio, and then we've got your air conditioning at the top. And of course, you've got your tyre pressure monitoring sensor down the bottom as well. With all used cars under 5 years old attracting 2 years warranty, 2 years breakdown, and the next 2 services for free, makes owning a Skoda very affordable right now. If you'd be interested in coming and have a drive in this Skoda Citigo, please give me a call on 01905 830 361 and ask for Cheryl.